Right then, what have we got for you today? We've got an era padlock with no keys. Today's weapon of choice, have a guess? Yep, GJ's multi-pick. All the little different ones. There's one for this one. Stick it in. Undo it. Do it up. Locked in. In, turn. With the wiring. Let's get picking. Right. Just going through the pack. Little turn. Little turn again. Oh, are you joking? Wow, that's super fast. Okay. Just so you can see, just do it again. Locked. Oh, so just a lucky go. There, and again. This time I picked it all the way. I've turned this. So let's see if I can lock it up again. Oh, wires are the wrong way really. Let's see if I can get this to work. Let's get this the other way. Okay, something like that. Let's see if we get the wire out. Whether by doing it this way. There, now let's see. Come on. Come on. More security in. Looking at it, unlocking it. Ah, there we go. And now that's locked again. So that's jammed up. Let's take it out. Because the wire's the wrong way. That's it. Out. Job done. So that is the GJ multi-pick. Again, remember the multi-pick. Take the top off. And you can stick any other tip on. Right, cheers, thanks for watching.